Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Blue Yeti microphone with Elgato Wave Link, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure your Blue Yeti microphone is connected to your computer via USB. Next, download and install the Elgato Wave Link software from the official website. Open the Wave Link application once the installation is complete. In the Wave Link interface, you will see various input options. Click on the plus icon to add a new audio input source. Select device from the drop-down menu that appears. Choose your Blue Yeti microphone from the list of available devices. Once selected, the Blue Yeti will now appear in the input sources of the Wave Link software. Next, find the output settings on the right side of the screen. Choose your headphones or speakers as your main audio output. Adjust the volume levels to your preference for both input and output. You can test your microphone by speaking into it and checking the audio levels displayed in Wave Link. If everything sounds good, you can now close the settings and begin using your Blue Yeti with Elgato Wave Link. You can customize your audio channels further by experiment with different effects and settings to find the sound that suits you best. Remember to save any changes you make in the software before closing it. Your Blue Yeti microphone is now authorized and ready for use with Elgato Wave Link. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.